Good afternoon, friends. As this is going to be our last YouTube video for the school year, we are going to do a fun activity today. We are going to make lemonade in a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to tell you all the things you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need a Ziploc bag. You're going to need some water, a half a cup, some lemon juice, a tablespoon, sugar, a teaspoon, and a straw. So I'm going to open up my bag here. I'm going to start with the water. Now I'm going to pour it in up to the line that says 1/2. And there we go. So that is a half a cup of water. I'm gonna pour it in there. Okay. Then I'm going to get my lemon juice. And I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. Okay, there's my 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So I'm going to pour that in there. Then I'm going to put in my sugar. This is a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay. There's my sugar. So now I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to mix it up. Make sure you mix it up really good. And you can just drink it right out of the bag. Refreshing. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good summer.